Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts! Are you ready for some game-changing cleaning tips and tricks that are taking the internet by storm? Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about making your life easier, one clean space at a time. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of TikTok to bring you 20 of the most popular and effective cleaning hacks that have gone viral on the platform. Now, let's talk TikTok. With millions of users worldwide, TikTok has become a treasure trove of cleaning hacks, tips, and DIY solutions. People from all walks of life share their tried and true cleaning secrets, and we're here to bring you the best of the best. From quick fixes to deep cleaning miracles, these TikTok cleaning hacks have the power to transform your home and make cleaning a breeze. We know you're busy and don't have time to waste, so we've carefully selected the most effective and time-saving hacks for you. Are you tired of scrubbing and scouring with little to no results? Or maybe you're just looking for some fresh ideas to up your cleaning game. Whatever your situation, we've got you covered. First up, we have the famous number 1 magic eraser trick. Our first hack is the magic eraser trick. You might already know about the cleaning power of the magic eraser, but did you know that you can cut it into smaller pieces to extend its life? Simply cut the eraser into 3 or 4 sections and you'll have more cleaning power at your fingertips. This way, you can use a similar piece for those tough stains and save the rest for later. Number 2, cleaning your air vents with a knife. Air vents often collect dust and debris, which can be challenging to clean. A TikTok hack to tackle this problem involves wrapping a thin cloth around a butter knife and using it to clean between the vent slats. This simple method makes it easy to reach those tight spaces and keep your air vents dust-free. Number 3, cleaning window tracks with vinegar and baking soda. Window tracks can accumulate dirt and grime over time. To clean them, TikTokers recommend combining equal parts white vinegar and baking soda to create a foamy paste. Apply the paste to the window tracks, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then use an old toothbrush to scrub away the grime. Wipe the tracks clean with a damp cloth and they'll look as good as new. Number 4, the dryer sheet hack. Are your baseboards covered in dust and pet hair? TikTok has a solution. Attach a dryer sheet to your broom or mop and use it to dust your baseboards. The dryer sheet will attract dust and hair like a magnet, leaving your baseboards clean and fresh. Number 5, cleaning your blender with dish soap and water. Cleaning a blender can be a hassle, but this TikTok hack makes it a breeze. Fill your blender halfway with warm water and add a few drops of dish soap. Turn on the blender and let it run for a few seconds. The soapy water will clean the blades and the sides of the container. Rinse it out and your blender is spotless. Number 6, the salt and lemon copper cleaning hack. If you have copper pots or pans that have lost their shine, this TikTok hack might be the solution. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle salt on the cut side. Rub the lemon and salt mixture onto the copper surface, focusing on the areas with tarnish. The acid from the lemon and the abrasive texture of the salt will help remove the tarnish, leaving your copper cookware looking like new. Rinse with water and dry with a clean cloth. Number 7, removing pet hair with a squeegee. Pet owners rejoice! This TikTok hack uses a window squeegee to remove pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Simply scrape the squeegee across the surface and the rubber blade will gather up the pet hair. This method works surprisingly well and can help you keep your home fur-free. Number 8, cleaning your shower head with vinegar. Over time, mineral deposits can build up on your shower head, affecting water flow. To clean it, fill a plastic bag with white vinegar and secure it around the shower head using a rubber band. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes or overnight for stubborn buildup. Remove the bag, rinse the shower head, and enjoy your newly restored water pressure. Number 9, the Scrub Daddy hack. The Scrub Daddy sponge has become a TikTok favorite for its versatility and effectiveness. To clean glass stovetops, dampen the Scrub Daddy and sprinkle some baking soda on it. Gently scrub the stovetop in a circular motion and the baking soda will help remove any burnt-on residue without scratching the surface. Number 10, the Pillowcase ceiling fan hack. Cleaning ceiling fan blades can be a dusty mess. TikTokers have found a solution by using an old pillowcase to clean each blade. Simply slide the pillowcase over the blade and gently pull it off, trapping the dust inside. Repeat for each blade and your ceiling fan will be dust-free in no time. Number 11, cleaning oven racks with dryer sheets. To clean oven racks, TikTokers suggest soaking them in warm water with a few dryer sheets for at least 2 hours. The dryer sheets will help break down the grease and grime, making it easy to wipe the racks clean with a sponge or cloth. Number 12. The rubber glove pet hair trick. Another great hack for pet owners is using a rubber glove to remove pet hair from furniture. Simply put on a damp rubber glove and rub your hand over the upholstery. The pet hair will stick to the glove, making it easy to collect and dispose of. Number 13. The iron and vinegar carpet stain remover. To remove stubborn carpet stains, TikTokers recommend mixing equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the stain and then place a clean white cloth over it. Gently iron the cloth on low heat and the stain should transfer from the carpet to the cloth. Number 14. Cleaning your Keurig with vinegar. To keep your Keurig coffee maker running smoothly, TikTokers suggest running a mixture of water and white vinegar through the machine. Fill the reservoir with equal parts water and vinegar and run a brew cycle without a coffee pot. Repeat until the reservoir is empty, and then a few cycles with plain water to rinse out any remaining vinegar. Number 15. The toothpaste marker stain hack. Accidentally use a permanent marker on your whiteboard? Don't worry, TikTok has a solution. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the marker stain and gently rub it with a cloth or paper towel. The toothpaste will help lift the stain, leaving your whiteboard clean and ready for use. Number 16. The microwave lemon hack. To easily clean and deodorize your microwave, TikTokers suggest using a lemon. Cut a lemon in half and place it in a microwave-safe bowl filled with water. Microwave the bowl for about 3 minutes, then let it sit for another 3 minutes. Carefully remove the bowl and wipe down the inside of the microwave. The steam from the lemon water will loosen any stuck-on grime, making it easier to clean. Number 17. The DIY toilet cleaner bombs. These DIY toilet cleaner bombs have been a hit on TikTok. To make them, combine 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of citric acid, and a few drops of essential oil. Gradually add water until you reach a slightly damp, crumbly texture. Press the mixture into silicone molds and let them dry overnight. Simply drop a toilet bomb into the toilet bowl and it will fizz away, leaving your toilet clean and fresh. Number 18. The hairdryer sticker residue hack. Removing sticker residue can be a hassle. TikTokers have discovered that using a hairdryer can make the process easier. Warm the sticker residue with the hairdryer for about 30 seconds. Then gently scrape it off with a plastic scraper or an old credit card. The heat from the hairdryer will help soften the adhesive, making it easier to remove. Number 20. The vacuum seal storage bag hack. To save space when storing bulky items like blankets and winter clothing, TikTokers recommend using vacuum seal storage bags. Place your items in the bag, seal them, and use your vacuum cleaner to remove the air. This will compress the contents, allowing you to store them more efficiently and protect them from dust, moisture, and pests. Number 20. The magic eraser on glass shower doors hack. Soap scum on glass shower doors can be a pain to clean. TikTokers have found that using a magic eraser can make the job a breeze. Simply dampen the magic eraser and gently scrub the glass. The micro-abrasive surface of the magic eraser will help remove soap scum and hard water stains without scratching the glass. There you have it, 20 TikTok cleaning hacks and tips to help you keep your home in top shape. Remember to always test a small, inconspicuous area before using any cleaning method on a larger scale. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.